Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am making instant naan pizza. Ingredients I need are bell pepper cut in slice, olives, onions, chicken slightly fried in oil and add some salt in it, mozzarella cheese. I take a naan bread, it's a flat naan bread, and tomato sauce. If it's not available, then take two medium tomatoes, grind them, put in a fry pan, add some salt and red chilli, cook until it turns into the paste. If tomato is also not available, then you can add some salt into the ketchup and used as a tomato paste. I spread tomato sauce on a naan bread. I have added bell pepper, olives, onions, chicken. If you want the plain pizza, you can just put the cheese and the tomato sauce on a naan bread. I will preheat oven on 350 degree Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius and bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. Pizza is ready. Please try, share, like and comment.